Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ki Sngewlem bagi dekat jangka BGP Meghalaya State Unit haka arpulai terik uyayong araja opsan. Ki lapan pau ka Sngewlem ya ki pat Riewngeit ka balang Katolik haka jela Meghalaya badak ri India hi brokwe. Ki lapelong ka Sngewlem nak benta ka Jingkhladnoh jang upu Francis haka arpulai terik uyayong araja opsan ha Vatican. Haka Sngewlem ka lapelong ha office terikam jangka parti hanong ba Shillong. Lalam khmat do presiden ka parti Riewngeit moment ringkat ke jingdon lang jong MLA ke parti uba AL hek Sngewlem ke mahila bat kiwi ki dekat jong ke parti.
A spiritual leader whose compassion and humility touch the hearts of the millions across the globe. As the first non-European Pope in over a millennium, he broke barriers and championed the cause of the poor, the marginalized, and the environment. India shares the special bond with Pope Francis, who held our nation in high regards. His message of interfaith harmony and his deep respect for diverse culture resonate profoundly with the people of India. His Holiness' affection for our country and his unwavering commitment to justice and equality will forever be cherished. In this moment of grief, we extend our heartfelt condolence to the global Catholic community. May his legacy of love, humility, and service continue to inspire us all. Rest in peace, Holy Father.
As a mark of respect to the Holy Father, Pope Francis, who have given the whole life not only to the Christian and the Catholic community, but he has been given whole life for the people, particularly for the downtrodden, the vulnerable society, the poor, and the people where nobody recognized them. He has given to everyone. And if you have seen in the last week, during the Holy Week, the Pope Francis, His Holiness, even he washed the feet of many disciples. So many people, he washed the feet. But been doing this throughout his life. As it's mentioned by this chairman, how he has started his beginning. From the humble beginning, he was the technical engineer, the technical mechanic. From there, he was a bouncer. From bouncer, you know what is the job of the bouncer? To make the world peace. Wherever any trouble anywhere, the bouncer is there to make the peace, to make this world a peace. Everyone are human being. So Pope John Paul, you will see that even during the war of the Israel and Ukraine, he has said that he is not the favor of the Ukraine, no favor of Israel, but he is in favor of all mankind, all the humanity. Every humanity are equal to him. He loved to all humanity. That is the greatness of this Pope Francis. Today it is a big loss, not only, as I said before, not only for the Christians, the Catholic community, but the whole world. Even today we have seen in the news, even the Hamas also sent a condolence to the sudden demise of the Pope Francis. Can you believe? Today we have seen, here also we have witnessed, even the Nyamtre, even the Hindu, even all the community, all the religions, they pray for his soul. So we all about here, we are gathering here today to say, to pray for his great soul, and also may his soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you.